Hi everyone, γεια σας και καλώς ήρθατε to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. This Marry Me chicken is a different version because I'm roasting a whole chicken and I'm making that creamy Marry Me chicken sauce with the cream, the sun-dried tomatoes, so much flavor, garlic, it's just delicious. I add spinach and feta to mine to make it a little more Mediterranean and Greek. It's so good without being complicated. Perfect if you're hosting a dinner party and you don't know what to make. You just need some roasted veggies with this. I'm roasting some green beans and then you can serve this with your favorite sides. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, we're gonna begin with one whole chicken. Of course, you can double or even triple this recipe and roast more chickens. And if you're doing more chickens, you would just do this in a bigger baking pan. So this fits in my cast iron enamel coated skillet and it also looks really pretty, especially when you serve it. You can do it from oven to table, and I love things like that. So for the chicken, I'm gonna put it straight away in the skillet, drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it, squeeze the juice of a lemon onto it as well, and then we're gonna season it with the seasonings. So simple: salt, freshly cracked black pepper, dried oregano, paprika, garlic powder, and we already did the lemon juice. So I'm gonna mix these spices together and sprinkle them on both sides. Flip the chicken breast side up, and this is gonna go in my preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour to 10 minutes. Now I also went in later on and I didn't record this part. I added a cup of water because my oven was cooking this a little bit too quickly and there were no juices released from the chicken. So the spices stuck to the bottom of the pan were beginning to kind of stick and burn. I also flipped the chicken over halfway through because it was browning really quickly. You can do that. I didn't record that part. And then I flipped it breast side up the last 15 minutes, of cooking time, just so that way the herbs that are stuck to the top don't turn completely black. Once the chicken is ready, we're gonna take it out of the oven. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to make the sauce. So this sauce is so delicious. I'm gonna take the pan drippings that are already in the pan. I put the chicken to the side in a plate and I'm gonna cook them down to make sure that all of the liquid that's not oil reduces and evaporates. That way we can add a little bit of butter, just a little bit because there's lots of grease that melted off of the chicken. And I don't want to make the sauce too greasy. So I'll add about a tablespoon or two of butter and then 6 garlic cloves that have been grated. We're just going to cook these through for a couple seconds until they're nice and fragrant. Next, I'll add 3/4 of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. These are already chopped. They're not really chopped, they're thinly sliced, and that's good enough for me, but you can finely chop them if you want them to kind of not be seen in the sauce so much. They're going in with 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Cook that down for a few seconds just so that way it can reduce a bit and soften up those sun-dried tomatoes. I like to buy sun-dried tomatoes that are packed in oil. I feel like they have so much more flavor. Next, we're gonna go in with a cup of heavy cream. You can do half and half instead if you want a lighter sauce. A nice chunk of feta cheese that we're just gonna crumble into the sauce. If you want to add some crushed red pepper flakes for heat, you can add them in at this point. The zest of 1/2 lemon can go in here for lots of freshness. And then 5 ounces of spinach leaves. These are baby spinach leaves. They're just gonna go in and wilt really, really quickly. Taste the sauce to see if it needs a little more salt. Mine is salty enough, so I'm not even adding any salt to this. And then a little bit of thyme, about a teaspoon of dried thyme. I'll turn the heat off from underneath the skillet, add the chicken back in, and this is gonna go back into the oven. I also like to spoon a little bit of the sauce over the chicken. Not necessary, but you can do that. And this is gonna cook in the oven at 400 degrees so the chicken can warm through a little bit and the sauce can thicken, just about 10 minutes. That's all it takes. Take it out of the oven and let it sit, and after about 10 minutes you can serve it. I love to serve this with roasted green beans. So while the chicken is in the oven, you could spread the green beans in a pan. I'm just using a 1/2 sheet baking pan over here. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil over them and simply season it with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Toss them all around so that way they're coated in the spices. And this is gonna go in the oven with the chicken at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until they're fully cooked and tender. And that's it. The meal is ready. This is so delicious. The chicken is juicy. That sauce is loaded with that creamy flavor. The sun-dried tomatoes add so much good smokiness to the sauce, a little bit of sweetness, the creamy, tangy bite from the feta. The spinach just melts in there. This is so good. I think you guys are gonna love this one. It's ready to serve. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's ready. The sauce thickens as it sits a little more. The roasted green beans are so simple, but of course you can choose your own vegetables to roast on the side of this. Potatoes would be great, especially if you want them to absorb that sauce. You can also, of course, make some pasta on the side of this because pasta with this is just, a match made in heaven. That Marry Me chicken with pasta recipe went viral. I haven't made it, but I do make this all the time and everybody loves it. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you want the step-by-step written instructions, they're on the blog, dimitrasdishes.com. If you want to see more cozy recipes like this, make sure to comment down below and I'll add more to my rotation. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.